everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of a Feel Unique beauty kit. For those of you who aren't aware, this is a sample service offered by the website Feel Unique. They do have two levels of their sample service. They have this one, which is the beauty kit. This one is £12.95 plus £3.95 shipping. When you place your order, you will get an email shortly after dispatch providing you with a gift voucher code in reimbursement of the £3.95 in shipping. So effectively this service just costs the £12.95. The other service that Feel Unique offer is their pick and mix service, which is where you can pick 5 samples for £3.95. Supposedly the samples that are available through the beauty kit as opposed to pick and mix are technically higher value in that they tend to be larger samples and also more expensive products. So when you do order your items from the beauty kit, they do come in this really nice cute cosmetics bag. It's got a nice sturdy zip to it and I like that it's got a wrist strap as well. Really nice soft material, and this would be ideal for travel, for something to put your toiletries in to have in your hand luggage. And I can imagine at the point you have to take them out at security, having a wrist strap will be really handy, because I know personally at that point you're usually with your hands full with all sorts of things, so it is a really nice idea. The only thing I would say is I believe this is now my third beauty kit that I've received, and this is now the third time I've had this exact bag. The first time I did keep it, the second time I gave it to my mum. No doubt I'll pass this one on to a friend. Just wish they'd kind of mix this up slightly, even if it was just to change colour. It would be better if it was a slightly different style, but there's only so many beige toiletries bags that I need, so just a point I thought I'd mention. It's still really nice nonetheless, and it's an added little extra to get on top of the samples. But let me show you the samples that I've picked up to try this time. The first one is from Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Bod Buff. This is a sample that I've had in this service before. I think it might have been my first time round, but I do absolutely love this product. I've yet been able to bite the bullet and purchase the full size, even more so now because they have released a new body scrub that I do quite want to try. The new body scrub is at the moment full size £39, whereas this one is a little bit cheaper. I am hoping that they bring out a travel size of the body scrub, or possibly a travel set with it contained in, because I don't think I'd want to purchase the full thing for £40 when I've not tried it. Whereas this, I know I love it, but I took the opportunity to try another sample of it. The only thing I would say is this is supposed to be a 15ml sample, and I don't know how well it'll show, but the product only goes up to here, so it is half empty. I was sad enough to actually weigh it, because with it being, I'd say, less than half empty, I was intrigued if it actually did contain 15ml. From my understanding, a mil does equal a gram, so I could kind of weigh it on a scales. So I took the cap off and just kind of weighed this bit of the product, and it did come in at 17ml. When I weighed it first with the cap on, it was 24ml, and the cap doesn't feel that heavy, so I don't know if there is quite 15ml in there, because I would think that the actual plastic of the container would weigh more than the lid, because they say the lid is really light and apparently that weighs about 7 grams. So I'm a bit disappointed that I've not got as much product as I thought I was getting, because I'm pretty sure last time it was kind of full up, definitely a bit more than this one anyway. But it's not as if I need to try the product as such, it was just for me to kind of get it to use again, because I'm too tight to purchase the full size. Value wise of this, the full size is 160ml for £21. So I work out that this 15ml is £1.97. So I'm excited to have this one in my collection again, because I did squeeze every last drop out of the last one I had. The next product I picked is this Time Filler Eyes Eye Cream from Filorga. This is Absolute Eye Correction Cream. Other than that, I don't know too much about it. The brand Filorga does actually have quite a few different eye creams. I did try one quite a while ago. It might have been through this service, it might have been through the pick and mix, and that was called the Optimize Eye Cream, and I did really enjoy that. It's one I would definitely consider repurchasing. Full size price wise, this one is a little bit more expensive than that one, so I'm keen to kind of compare the two. There's only a few pounds in it. The Optimize one I say is 43 and this one is 47. The £47 is for 15ml, and this is a 4ml sample, so I work out that this is worth £12.53. I do like getting eye creams in these kind of sample services, because you do get more product for your money, because with eye creams you don't need an awful lot of product, and a 4ml sample would last me a long time. I think the Optimize one that I had was a 4ml as well, and I did get a lot of use out of that, so I am really excited to give this one a go and have another eye cream from Filorga to use. Then we have this product from Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble, and this is a daily conditioning cleanser. I've tried quite a few products from Glam Glow in the past and I have really enjoyed them. I think I've tried a couple of their cleansers and I can't remember what my opinion was of them, so kind of wanted to fresh with this one. I do think this one is slightly newer to the market, and I'm not going to lie, I was kind of drawn in with the packaging. Obviously I do like the brand anyway, so that jumped out at me in that respect, but it was the packaging that kind of drew me in, because the full size of this has got really nice packaging as well. This one is a 15ml, so I would like to think I get quite a few uses out of this to be able to have an opinion on it. So the full size of this is 150ml for £19.50. So I work out that this 15ml is worth £1.95. So I'm excited to give this one a go and see what it's like. Next we have this product from Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. I don't know anything about the Recovery Complex 1. On the back this says, our most comprehensive anti-aging serum ever. Advanced with exclusive repair technology, it is proven to significantly reduce major signs of visible aging, and it says you apply it before your moisturiser. So I'm really excited to give this one a go. It comes in this really cute bottle. I do believe the original one comes with a dropper, but this one is just a kind of pour one, so I am going to have to be quite careful when using this one because I definitely don't want to waste it. But I am really into my anti-aging things at the moment. I'm definitely noticing more wrinkles and things like that, and I'm not enjoying it, if I'm honest. I did turn 33 this month, so I suppose it is time that I do need to really start bringing out the big guns when it comes to anti-aging. I've probably started too late. So the full size of this is 30ml for £58. So I work out that this sample, which is 7ml, is worth £13.53. And then the final product is from the brand Sarah Chapman. I have heard of this brand before, but I've never tried anything from them. I don't know much about the brand at all, to be honest. This is the Skinethus, I think that's how you say it, overnight facial. And this says it's a youth boosting night elixir. Again, sounds pretty good and possibly similar to the Estee Lauder one. I really like the packaging of this. It is basically a shrunk down version of the full size. It even comes with a little pump, which is great because I shouldn't waste any of this one. And this is actually the most expensive of my samples. Full size of this is £54 for 15ml. So this is a 5ml sample, so I work out that this is worth £18. Quite an expensive little sample, but I'm keen to see what it's like, and I'm quite intrigued to kind of compare it to the Estee Lauder one. I might do 1 week of one and 1 week of the other just to see what they're like. So yeah, really excited to give this one a go. So these are the 5 samples that I selected. So adding up the total value of all these samples, I get £47.98. Bear in mind that I've only spent £12.95 on this service. I'm getting, is that what, just over 3 times the value in the worth of the samples. So when I've made my selection of the items, I haven't necessarily picked high-end brands as such. I have genuinely picked sort of things that I wanted to try, and coincidentally these are quite low value. If you are someone that was possibly drawn to more of these kind of products than the kind of high-end products, you might find that you don't actually end up getting your money's worth, because these ones are only worth £1.95 each. If I was to pick 5 products of a kind of similar value to them, I'd only be getting £10 worth of products, and I'd paid £12.90 for the service. So this is a service that I'm definitely going to have to be more careful of in that respect. I know it's not necessarily the point to get your money's worth out of it, but if I'm paying £12.95, I don't expect to get products worth less value than that. So it's something that I will definitely make a note of when I pick my samples in the future, and possibly work out the value of them before I put them in the basket. But that's just my thoughts on that. But that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.